Delphinium's control tower brings all your class insights together in one central hub. This quick tour will introduce you to the key features that make managing your class faster and easier. Other control tower features will be explored in detail in future lessons. In this interactive video, you'll get to try out features as we explore the control tower. Start by clicking the Control Tower tab on the far right of your Delphinium dashboard tabs. Find a specific student by typing their name in the Name column's filter box. Their row displays their quick stats. Click the Details icon for the student. This opens a detailed view of their progress across assignments and activities. From there, click on any assignment name. This will open a new tab and jump directly into SpeedGrader for that student and assignment. Close this assignment tab when you are ready to return to the Delphinium control tower. Check the color-coded snapshot of your class at a glance in the status column. Green indicates students that are on track, yellow are students who may be at risk, and red are students needing attention. Click on the up arrow in the percent column. Students are now grouped by progress with color indicators aligned in the status column. Now, use the column filters to quickly identify targeted groups of students. First, try using the range filters. In columns like points or percent, click the double arrow icon. This opens the filtering sliders. For this demo, set the second slider to 75 by clicking this section. Now, the table filters the students whose scores fall within the range you selected. Click the X to reset the grades table and show all students again. Next, try one of the checkbox filters. Click the funnel icon in the status column. Then, uncheck Doing Well to focus on students falling behind. Click the message icon button in the top left of the message column. This opens a message addressed only to the students you just filtered for. Next, we'll send a personalized message to these students. Click Help Me Write to get a quick start on your message. Type a prompt describing what you want the message to say. For example, tell the students their current grade, encourage them to stay on track, and invite them to meet with me if needed. Then, click Generate to create a draft. Click Insert to use the draft in your message. Delphinium's AI follows best practices in teacher communication, creating drafts with personalized text and emojis that you can adjust before sending. Use variable text to personalize each message automatically with live Canvas data, like student names and grades. To insert variable text, click in the message to place your cursor where you want the variable text to appear. For this demo, we will add the variable text after the word Hey. Now, click the variable text dropdown. Then, click on Student First Name. The variable text is inserted exactly where your cursor is placed. When you preview or send your message, the variable text is automatically replaced with the correct Canvas data for each student. Use the checkboxes below the message to include observers or other stakeholders as recipients, keeping everyone informed at once. Check the Include Observers box. Then, check Send Copy to. This opens a drop-down where you can select stakeholders. Click on the Select Stakeholders drop-down. This opens a list of available stakeholders. From here, you can choose a stakeholder from the list or add a new email address. For this demo, click the Add an Email Address field. Let's add this stakeholder's email. Then, click on the Add Email button. Finally, hit OK. The added stakeholder will appear in the drop-down. Preview your message before sending it by clicking the Preview button. This shows exactly how your message will appear to each student and any included stakeholders, including all variable text, so you can confirm accuracy, adjust tone, and make any final edits. Click the name of different students to view how their version of the message will appear. You can choose Return to Compose to adjust your message if needed. Once it's ready, click Send. Just like that, you've identified and emailed every struggling student and their observers with a personalized message powered by real-time Canvas data. To go back to the grades table, click X to close this pop-up. Finally, click on the Stats tab. This lets you view the timeline chart. Here, you can view student trend lines for the whole class. Mouse over trend lines to reveal student names. At a glance, you can see who is excelling, who is falling behind, and who needs your attention right now. This powerful tool transforms the entire Canvas gradebook into a simple and visual chart, delivering valuable insights, not just data. Using the control tower to check progress, view details, and send targeted messages helps you stay aware of your class and support students when it matters most.